In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your dry mascara the easiest way at no cost. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here's my mascara. It's Total Temptation from the brand Maybelline. So let's take a closer look at my mascara. So I'm gonna be opening this up so you can see how clumpy and dry this mascara is. The average shelf life of a mascara is 6 months. But this one right here is a little bit older than that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up and start reviving this dyeing mascara. So to fix your mascara, all you need is a hot water. All you have to do is throw in your mascara into the hot water and let it stay there for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm holding this tongue and I decided to take out the mascara. But why not play with it, like cook it a little bit more? I don't know why I'm doing this with a tongue, but just be careful when taking the mascara out of the pan. And now I'm just drying the tube before opening it. And now we're ready to see if we were able to revive this dyeing mascara. Ta-da! Yes, she's alive again. You can see here that it's no longer dry and the product is really coming out. So yes, it's a success. So my advice is, if you have a dried mascara, don't just throw it straight to the trash can. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope this video is helpful. See you again on my next video.